Hello everyone. So today in this video we will discuss about how to install Rust in our system. First of all, open web browser, search for Rust download, click on install Rust link. Click on download rustup-init.exe x64. Click on rustup-init.exe file. It will start Rust setup. Click on Run button. The setup window appears. In the opened setup window, select the first option, Quick Install by the Visual Community Install. It will download and install Visual Studio. After Visual Studio is installed, the Rust setup window will appear. Select the first option, proceed with standard installation from this window. After Rust is installed, open command prompt and type rustc. Rustc is compiler for Rust programming. Now open text editor or any IDE. Write simple hello program. Save it. Open command prompt, locate Rust file. Now just type rustc filename.rs. If no error come, file will compiled. Now just type file name and hit enter in command prompt. Hello will be shown as output.